Meaning of FedEx.
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 FedEx. FedEx is the shortened name for Federal Express Corporation, an American multinational delivery service company. The name FedEx itself is a combination of the words Federal and Express, which reflects its origin as an air express delivery service. FedEx operates in more than 220 countries and territories worldwide and provides various services, such as express shipping, ground shipping, freight transportation, and e-commerce solutions. It is well known for its reliable and efficient delivery service, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses alike.